watch this video and we're going to learn how to draw this. It has me hopping with joy. And later we're all going to sing a song together. Are you excited? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Oh, hello, little artist. Artie didn't see you there. Hello, and welcome to my show. I'm Artie. Well, today we're going to do a drawing, but Artie doesn't know what to draw. No, I can't think of anything. Can you think of anything, little artist? Shout at the screen. What should Artie draw today? I can't hear you. Shout louder. Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, we'll draw that. All right, let's get ready.
It's great to see everybody today.
It's a real pleasure.
Is everybody ready to begin? Are you ready, Mr. Paper? Are you ready, Mr. Marker? Well, I guess we're all ready. Let's begin and let's get Arty. Ho-ho!
Buddy's here.
Hi, Bunny.
Oh, your art makes my whiskers wiggle with joy. Hop to it.
Okay. Huh. La 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 la. Do it, do. Keep watching, because coming up, we're going to have a song. It'll be fun. I hope you're drawing along at home. Whew, all this drawing's making me tired. Let's have a little break and sing a song. Are you ready? Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3.
Sometimes when you hear a song, you might want to clap along. When you hear an awesome beat, you might start to tap your feet. T-A-P, tap your feet. C-L-A-P, clap to the beat. T-A-P, tap your feet. C-L-A-P, clap to the beat. Tell me, what's your favorite song? Do you want to clap along? Artie can hear that awesome beat. It makes him want to tap his feet. T-A-P, tap your feet. C-L-A-P, clap to the beat. T-A-P, tap your feet. C-L-A-P, clap to the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can't wait to clap some more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Clapping makes us feel so great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap your foot right on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's so fun that Bunny can't wait to T-A-P, tap her feet. C-L-A-P, clap to the beat. T-A-P, tap your feet. C-L-A-P, clap to the beat. When you hear a good song, it brightens up your day. When you clap and tap to the beat, your blues will fade away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mikey can't wait to clap some more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Clapping makes Betty feel so great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap your foot right on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's so fun that Louie can't wait to TAP. Tap his feet. CLAP. Clap to the beat. TAP. Tap your feet. CLAP. Clap to the beat.
Wasn't that a really fun song? I hope you were dancing along and singing too. Anyway, time to carry on with our drawing now. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, I can't wait to colour this in. It's going to be really fun. Oh no, it sounds like painting. Oh no. Painty? Oh no, I'm gonna have to clean all that up. I'll do it later after the drawing. Oh, this is coming out really nice. I'm finished. All that remains now is to colour it in. Should we sing our little song? Colour it in, colour it in, colour it in, colour it in, colour it in. I'm finished! Oh, wow, it came out really, really good. I love the colour and the shapes. Oh, I'm so proud of this one. Oh, really, really nice.
Well, that's a wrap on the Artie show. Keep drawing and keep singing.
Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed watching Artie's show, and we hope you come back again. Bye-bye for now, and always remember, have an Artie day. Bye.